In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Typeform in Wix. This is a great skill to have if you want to create engaging forms for surveys, quizzes, or any kind of user interaction directly on your website. We'll walk step by step from grabbing the exact embed code in Typeform to placing it neatly on your Wix page. Plus, I'll share some simple tips to ensure it looks great and loads reliably. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Typeform account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific form you want to add to your Wix site. It's important to choose the right form because any edits you make in Typeform will automatically reflect when you embed it in your website. So take a moment to review your form and ensure that everything is just how you want it to be. Once you're satisfied with it, saved changes are a must. Make sure they are all saved before you move ahead. Now, at the top of the Typeform builder, you'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to the sharing options, and here's where the fun begins. You want to look for the option that says Embed in a web page. Clicking on this will give you several styles to choose from for how you want to display your form. The first style you might notice is the Standard option. This places the form directly on the page, making it visible without any extra clicks needed from your site visitors, which is great if you aim for quick interactions. On the other hand, you have the pop-up option. This one opens the form in a modal overlaying your content, which keeps your page cleaner and can help improve user experience by preventing page clutter. Take a moment to preview each style by using the preview option available. This way, you can visualize how it will actually appear for your users and pick the one that fits your design, aesthetic, and overall user flow. Each option has its own charm, so choose what feels right for your website. Once you've settled on the style you want, click on the Start Embedding button. After clicking that, you will see a box that contains the HTML code you need. Go ahead and copy this code. It's essential for the next step. Now, it's time to switch over to your Wix site. Log in to your Wix account and navigate to the page where you want the Typeform to appear. Once you're on the right page, look for the Wix editor. From the Wix editor, you'll want to find the option that allows you to add custom code. Typically, this is done through an HTML iframe or embed a widget option. In the HTML settings, paste the HTML code that you copied from Typeform. Make sure to position it nicely on your page where it fits well with your other content. You can resize the iframe to ensure the form displays correctly and is user-friendly. Once you have your form looking just right, take a moment to preview your website. This will allow you to check that the Typeform is loading properly and looks as you expect. It's important to test it out to make sure everything is functioning well. This way, when visitors come to your site, they'll be able to seamlessly fill out your form without any hassle. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Typeform in your Wix site. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking the video for more handy tips and tricks in the future. Happy creating, and I'll see you next time.